anatomy of a Bigeye Scad fish, or also called as Matambaka. First, we are going to record the fish length, which is 25 centimeters. Here is the anterior or cranial, the dorsal part, ventral part, and the posterior or caudal. Let us now label the fins. This is the anterior dorsal fin, the posterior dorsal fin, caudal fin, anal fin, pelvic fin, and the pectoral fin. Now let's label the remaining external anatomy, which are the mandible, mouth. Bigeye Scad are filter feeders, consuming plankton and small invertebrates. This suggests they likely have a protrusive mouth, meaning they can extend their mouth slightly forward to engulf prey while swimming. Nares or nostrils. The eye. Operculum. In the Bigeye Scad fish, there are 4 layers of gills that can be found inside. These gills are composed of gill filaments, gill arch, and the gill rakers. This part of the fish is called the lateral line. In dissection, a scalpel blade is used for incision, or the rounded part of the scissors for cutting. Now, let's check out the internal anatomy. The organs that can be found inside are heart, liver, stomach, the male gonad, spleen, intestine, the male gonad, aorta, the swim bladder.